video let's have a look on me basic earphones are about the me PISTON 3. This is Abdul Haqam from Tech Arena. Haven't you subscribed my channel yet? Then subscribe my channel and press the nearest bell button for the latest updates. After watching this video give it a thumbs up or thumbs down based on you have liked the video or not. Don't forget to add your ideas below in the description. Now let's start unboxing. Feels premium for me because of its aluminum build quality. The earphone don't have a extreme bass, but it has a medium bass with crispy and sharp output. The earphone has a microphone also, so you can attend your calls using this earphone. I'm impressed with its crispy sound quality. You can use the inbuilt remote for many functions, such as single click to play or pause, double click to next music or media, and triple click to previous stuff. Finally, we are at the end of the video. I think you have enjoyed video, then give it a thumbs up or thumbs down based on you like the video or not. Haven't you subscribed my channel yet? Then subscribe my channel and press the nearest bell button.